Hey there, welcome to Take Two. Today I'm going to show you how you can add or edit your bio in the Threads account from your PC. So go on and open your web browser and then log into your Threads account from the website. So this is the main page. Yours should also look somewhat similar to this. And so on the left side, the left panel right there, you should click on this symbol, which is your profile symbol. Click on it and click on edit profile. So we're gonna change my bio, so I'm just gonna click on write bio, and well, you can manually get your bio, or you can edit your bio, you know, or import bio from the Instagram. So that's it. If this content helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.